Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 432, minimum absolute difference in sliding submatrix. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, let me know what you think about this one. So I mean, you know, this is Leetcode. I think the first thing I would urge people to do is, of course, look at the constraints. And the constraints are 30 times 30 times, so that's like 900. 900 squares should be fast enough. Of course, it's a little bit slower than that. It's 900 times 900 times log of 900, which is like 10-ish, right, for the sorting. But otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, that should be good. So once you know that this is good, then let's just roll it out, right? And this is actually the entire code. Fits on one screen, which is nice. But basically, yeah, you have an I loop. You have this filter just to make it slightly go faster, so you don't go out. You create a new row entry for every column, make sure it's inside, and then just go for a loop on all the K's. Put it in a set. If there's only one number, you return 0 to the answer array. Otherwise, Otherwise, we sort all the unique keys, because remember this is a set, and then we just look at every two adjacent numbers to get the smallest numbers, and that's it, right? And this is going to be R times C times K, and that's the complexity, and this is the whole code, and that's all I have. I also put a min function here, just to make it go slightly faster, since this loop, it's inside a lot of things, right? So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you can watch me solve it live during the contest now. Wow, Leetcode really does everything to kind of make your life terrible. They only have one job, which is give me a problem and give me a submit button, you know? Okay, fine. Okay, you have an all by secret. Like what? Okay, for every contiguous K by K submatrix, compute a minimum absolute difference between two distinct values within it. Okay, what does that mean? Minimum absolute difference between any two. Okay. K is equal to 2. I'm going to have some candy. I've been eating a lot of candy. I don't know, it's probably not great. I ran a lot today, so. Okay. Okay, 30 by 30. It's 900 square, right? Oh, it's 9,000, not 900. No, it's 900. 30 times 30 is 900. You just for loop, right? Yeah, I'm messing it up, but that's okay. Well, okay. Maybe the sorting is a little bit rough. Oh, I misread this actually. But that's fine. Actually, I mean, I structured it in a way such that it doesn't matter, but it's still very awkward. It's always a surprise and never a good way. I don't know why Leetcode is just... Because, you know, programmers are famously loves random surprise changes to their editors. Like, what is this? Like, I can't even... Is there an easy way to... Like, why are you making me... Oh, there we go. Okay, that's good, that's good. Maybe I take it back. I don't know if I take it back. They make you go... But it's still, like, better than before. I don't like this UI. It's silly. But okay, I'm ready one anyway. What are you doing, Larry? Why am I not here? I plus J is... Oh, is equal to... Okay, fine. Is it count to 0? Okay. What about the 4? Is infinity? Oh. I see. Is K is equal to... Okay, fine. Yeah. Alright, I don't like this accept message. It's just like, you know, just let me know. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this problem, the explanations, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye-bye.